Good morning, Racks. Today is Monday, March 23rd, which makes today National Puppy Day. There you go. Three big things coming at you here on this Monday, a new week of distance learning. Congrats goes out to Terrence Stinson, first team in the PPL. Another thing I want to mention, we keep talking about social distancing, and it was very clear, and it's becoming clearer every day, that the measures that a lot of people are taking is not good enough. A lot of you have been stuck inside your house or, staying in your yard. But social distancing means you got to stay away from people that are not in your home as much as you possibly can. And yes, I know practice social distancing is spelled wrong. I understand that. I didn't come up with it. But if you were to get sick or you felt that you were sick, you had a dry cough that came on from nowhere, you had a high fever, that does not mean you need to go to the hospital. It means you need to self-isolate, get away from other people, even in your house. And most of you will be able to take care of it at home. Call your doctor, call your physician. They can help you out, but it doesn't mean you need to run to a hospital. 90% of the people that have symptoms of what the coronavirus symptoms are showing end up not having it. And keep washing your hands. Hand sanitizer, keep washing your hands up on that. On Wednesday, if you're doing it online, like a Zoom learning, or you're going to be seen working out with me or sitting in another classroom, pajama learning on those days. So bring your PJs on that one, all right? A couple of the reminders I said on last week, transportation forms, get them in. And anyone that has athletic clothing from the winter, wash it, turn it in a bag, contact Laskowski. He needs it. Same thing with the cheerleaders and their coupon books. Couple of birthdays to bring your way. Happy birthday to these ladies. Happy birthday to Sio Angelis. And happy birthday to Carla. So that's all we got for March 23rd. Big week coming up. Make sure you stay on top of your stuff with Google Classroom. It's going to be a tough weather week. Get a little fresh air when you can. And again, social distancing means you're not going to other people's houses. You're not sharing things. You're washing your hands all the time. Keep it up, because the longer that we are not social distancing, the longer that we're going to be socially distanced from one another, and we don't want that. So keep it up, Racks, and have a great day.